Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Recently, I did an installation and testing video on this newly released enhanced Qwen 2.5 vision language model, and we tested it out with video and images. While we were testing it out, we also encountered couple of errors, and then I shared the fixed code with you. I have been receiving a lot of comments as what exactly was the issue and how did I resolve it for the extended learning. So in this video, I'm going to just quickly share with you what exactly was the issue and how did I resolve it, so that if you're also doing the installation video with not only with this vision language from Qwen, but I believe that this solution could be valid for lot of other vision language models. And look, this is not a fault of Quen that this error is occurring. We are working at bleeding edge. Things are changing very fast. So let's see what was the issue. So after installing the model, and then I'll quickly go up. So this is where I downloaded the model, installed it after all the prerequisites. And if you want to know how I did that, just watch this first video where I have done it from end to end, from the scratch. So I downloaded the model in this first cell with its processor and tokenizer and everything, and then it got loaded onto my GPU, and then from there I gave it a local video, which let me quickly show you. I just wanted to do this long video understanding, and so that is why I just gave it this video where I'm speaking, sort of a podcast and stuff. So this is a scene which uh, I'm testing it with. You can see that I have given it this local video path, and then I have tested some of the parameters for the prompt template. Then we are using processor to apply the chat template. We are getting the inputs for both image and video frames, and then tokenizer is encoding it. Then our model is generating the output on the basis of that encoded input, and then we are decoding it back and printing it for the user. While I ran this, it gave me this error where it is saying type error process vision info got an unexpected keyword argument. Now, when that happens, the problem is in this code. So I'll just go up. So you see, if you let me go slightly up, there you go. So you see what we are doing here is that this process vision info function which we are using did not have this keyword called as return video quarks, and that caused this type error because the function was being called with an unexpected keyword argument. So what I did, I removed the return video quarks is equal to true. This is the one argument from this process vision info function call, and that resolved the type error and that allowed the code to proceed. So let me remove this in front of you and then rerun it. So you see here in this line I have removed that and then I reran it, but once I rerun it, let me run it again just in front of you. So it still gives me error, and the error is that not enough values to unpack. Now if you go back to this code, what is happening here is that the process vision info function which is up, it is only returning two values, but we were trying to unpack three values, and the three values are image input, video input, and video quarks. And that caused that value error because there were not enough values to unpack. And that is where we are going to modify the code to unpack only two values from the process vision info function call. So we are removing this video quarks variable from here, and also we need to remove it from the processor because it is also being used there in the processor one. So let me do that quickly and then we will rerun it. So I have removed it from both. So we have now two values we are unpacking, and I have also removed it from processor. Let me run this. So it is running at the moment, and then this is a video where we are asking it to describe it. Let's wait for it to come back. There you go. So it is describing the video that a man is sitting in front of microphone and all that stuff, which you can read through. So you need to make these two changes in order to get it working. Try it out. Let me know how you go. If you still face issue or something like that, feel free to put it in the comments. Happy to help out. And before I let you go, let me also quickly introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are iGenbot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.